Jeez. Now, what is this thing?
It's my 1992 BMW E30. I got this thing for a whopping $160.
Damn, bro. Okay, that's gonna be an idea for the next video if they want to hear about it.
If you want more, I'll tell you more. But that's not the point. Today, I was driving this over the weekend, and he noticed that the steering wheel is all jacked up.
Yeah, man, the car is super clean, but this steering wheel is no bueno. So today we're gonna try to fix the steering wheel. I have a little idea on how to like fix stuff like that because I used to work for a company that did it. So right now we're gonna figure out if I can still do it. Dennis, pull this thing into the garage. First off, we're gonna start off taking off the steering wheel.
First thing first, we gotta remove the steering wheel, and you gotta remove this little.
Holy.
Yeah, kind of funny joke. Yeah, basically, we gotta remove that big bolt. Damn, that was not even tight.
And then it will slide out right out.
It's off. Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of fugly, if you ask me. And I was driving it for 2 days, and I was like, man, how can Dennis just drive with this kind of steering wheel? So today we're gonna try to fix it. First off, we're gonna clean it with some alcohol.
Isopropyl.
What did he say?
I'm gonna mask off the little emblem.
We have to make the steering wheel nice and clean. I'm just gonna use Windex for now. Right. So right now, to fix some of those little cracks, we're just gonna sand them down. After you done sanding it down, we have to hit it with some alcohol. That way we get rid of all of the oils and stuff so the paint can bond. The reason why we sanded it down to make it a little bit more smoother. As you can see now you can't really see any more cracks. Look at this, it already looks freaking better than it did before.
Nice and smooth. What's the next step? Professional wheel restorer.
I want to first dry it all the way. I don't want to seal the leather and then trap all the moisture inside the steering wheel, because that will be bad. Now that we finished sanding it down, it looks like this. So we have to use some leather sealer and basically cover the whole wheel. So just put on your finger and just cover the whole steering wheel.
Oh, quick little update. We thought this was gonna take like an hour max. We're at 3 hours deep. And we just ruined the steering wheel. No. Vlad ruined the steering wheel.
You were heating it up.
I didn't heat nothing.
You can't blame it on me.
Okay, so let me tell you what's going on right now. Update. Vlad, give me that.
It looks so good.
It looked so good. Now let me show you what he did.
I didn't do nothing.
It was fine. It was a little faded. No.
It wasn't faded. It was faded to the max. It was hella ugly.
Give me this. Let me show you this. Now there's a freaking fat hole in there. What are we gonna do now, huh? We are. Hey, get off. Oh, you. Oh! What the fudge? Get off me, bro.
We're gonna unwrap it. We're gonna rewrap the steering wheel.
He's gonna ruin my steering wheel. Okay, go ahead.
That's a really good idea.
Get out of here.
I'm telling you, it's gonna look good. Anything that happens for better.
For better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a good
We will be back after Vlad takes off this leather, right?
Yep.
So we took off the old leather. Now we're gonna sand that down and just give it a nice little paint job, right?
Yep. So we took off the leather off the steering wheel because couldn't save it.
How it looks like. Maybe shake it up a little more.
We'll be back once we're done painting.
Okay. What the heck was that?
Everything ended up going wrong, but I think we kind of made it out of the situation.
Wait
So
for
look.
it. Wow.
Oof.
Wow.
Very nice. Here's the life hack. If your steering wheel looks like crap, Just take off the.
Just don't let your friend touch it because he said he worked at a detail shop.
I didn't want.
Yeah.
I didn't.
Yeah.
Look how nice it looks now, though.
What the heck is this?
That's fine, dude. What the heck was all over the freaking steering wheel? That's what I thought.
It's okay. At the very
Ungrateful
end, I'm happy
bastard.
I'm happy with how it turned out.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put it in my car right now and go home because I had enough for you today. Hey! Are you stupid? Get, bro. Get off! Get off!
That's what I thought, but this guy trying to apple. There we go.
You ready?
Let me see.
We're gonna put the steering wheel in. First, turn on the ignition.
Twist the key.
Doesn't matter. I twist it, then you go boop, and that's in. You take this bolt thick thingy. You gotta take out the key. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. And now we gotta put the emblem in. There we go.
Dude, look at that.
That looks freaking nice.
Give the scenic
Give me
shot.
turning the scenic shot. Me turning the wheel.
I have
Sick.
to finish. This is good, dude.
It looks hecka nice. What are you talking about?
I'm telling you, dude. This is legitness. It looks so much better than it did before.
Okay, so at the very end, it turned out nice.
In the conclusion,
Huh?
you don't always mess up if you messed up.